is adjacent squared plus adjacent squared minus the opposite squared all over 2 times the adjacent. It's a different way of looking at the law of cosines. This is the law of cosines here. There's the angle x, it's got one adjacent side there, one adjacent side there, and there's the opposite. So we just substitute now. Adjacent squared could be the 16 squared, plus the other adjacent squared, 17 squared, minus the opposite squared, 25 squared, all over 2 times 16 times 17. We get the answer, negative 0.1471. Use the, and that's for cos x. So x degrees equals cos -1 button of negative 0.1471, and x equals (98.46 degrees). The law of cosines. So cos 43 degrees equals adjacent squared plus adjacent squared minus opposite squared all over 2 times adjacent times adjacent. So cos 43 equals 121 plus 529 minus c squared over 506. Cross multiply. 506 cos 43 equals 666.50 minus c squared. Bring the c squared over here and take the rest over there. 650 minus 506 cos 43, and c squared equals 279.94. Square root the answer. C is 16.73. So a quick sketch. We've got A, B and C. We know that A is 6, B is 7 and C is 10. The largest angle is opposite the largest side. So we're looking for angle C. So we know that cos of C, we use the law of cosines, equals adjacent squared plus adjacent squared minus the opposite. Angle C is opposite 10, so that's the opposite squared. All over 2 times 7 times 6. So cos C equals 49 plus 36 minus 100 all over 2 times 7 times 6 is 84. So cos C negative 1.1786. And then angle C will be the cos -1 button of negative 0.1786. (100.29 degrees). Okay, law of sines says that x over sine 23 degrees equals 12 over sine 60 degrees. So x, take the sine 23 up. And with your calculator, x equals 5. 5. Okay, find the area. Find the area. Area equals 1/2 adjacent times adjacent times the sine of the included angle. So there's an angle, there's one adjacent side there, one adjacent side there, it's called the included angle. So the area equals 1/2 23 times 15 times the sine of 63 degrees. And the answer is 153.70 square units. Find the area again, you've got side, side, side. So the area has a set formula. There's the square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is half the perimeter. And in this case the perimeter is 5 and 11, 16, 24. So S is 12, half of 24. So area equals the square root of 12. Now the A, B and C are just a sign, so 12 minus 11. 12 minus 5 and 12 minus 8. So it's the square root of 12 times 1 times 7 times 4, which is root root 336, which equals 18.33. And again, 18.33 square